Hi Daily Dolls, welcome back to the channel for another video. Today we teamed up with Miranda over at Creative Living and Tammy at Tammy B to do a Dollar Tree inspired centerpiece. So we're going to all showcase centerpieces created using only Dollar Tree items. So this video collaboration is hosted by Miranda at Creative Living. Please go check out her channel and check out Tammy's channel at Tammy B Jones. I will have a link to both their channels in the description box below so that you can check them out. Also, like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I will also invite you to like, comment, and subscribe over here on my channel as well. And you can join by clicking that subscribe button down below. It is free. So here we are going to create a centerpiece using these items that I am showing you. You will need some bling, a mirror, 2 of the plastic bowls, 1 glass bowl candle holder, some blue gems or gems color of your choice. You also need some adhesive glue, some hot glue, and a glue gun. You will need some flowers of your liking from the Dollar Tree. And you will also need a strip of bling wrap and some rhinestones. So if you have all of those items, then you can go ahead and begin your DIY. I also will be adding in some little decor pieces, some little birdies and butterflies, but that is totally optional and it's up to you guys, and we will not be using those 2 candlestick holders that I just showed. So let's go ahead and get started with this DIY. Next, you want to grab your glass gems and line them up, and then you want to place a little dollop of hot glue in the center of the glass gems and top it off with a small rhinestone. This will help the glass gem bling a little bit better and add a little bit touch of glam. Alright, so this is what you should have. You should have a little pile of glass gems with the rhinestones topped on top. Now we're going to take our plastic bowl and turn it upside down, and we're just going to place those same glass gems at the bottom of the bowl, which is originally the top, and we're going to skip every row. We're going to do every other row where we glue down the glass gems, and it's pretty self-explanatory. I hope you can get the gist of the video by just watching. Alright, so you make sure that you do the same thing for both bowls, and I'm just showing you that I have done that. Next thing we're going to do is place the bowls on top of each other in opposite directions. And I hope that makes sense. If you just pay attention, then you will see what I'm referring to or trying to say. You want to make sure that you have removed the labels from the bottom of the bowl as well. Now all we're going to do is apply a thick layer of hot glue around the bottom rim of this bowl, just like so, and then we're going to top it off with the top bowl. Give it a good press and hold for just a second or so the glue can adhere to the plastic, and then you will be done with that step and we'll move on to the next one. Everyone loves bling, at least most of us do, and I absolutely love it. So I have got to put some bling onto my centerpiece, and I'm going to do that by adding this bling wrap, ribbon wrap that can be found at Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to put it around the circumference of these two bows where they connect, and that will hide the line of demarcation from the glue as well. So we're going to cut it, measure cut it, and add a little bit of glue, and that should be pretty simply done. So just going all the way around the circumference of this centerpiece, I'm just adding glue in sparingly spots and just wrapping it around the middle of the centerpiece. Alright, our centerpiece is coming along just quite nicely. So we're going to take our glass mirror and our round glass candle holder. We're going to add some hot glue to the bottom of this glass candle holder. Now you can add some fits all permanent glue or any other permanent glue like E6000 if you choose to. However, I did not want to do so. I thought the hot glue would be enough, so I'm just going to use hot glue, and I'm going to go around the rim of the container, and then I'm going to place it down on my mirror. Once we have it centered and glued down to our mirror, we're going to add in our glass fillers. So add the glass gems into the candle holder and fill it up as high or as much as you want. I only did mine with a small section because I didn't want the centerpiece to be too heavy. Now we're going to take our floral foam and glue it to the top rim of this candle holder with hot glue. And you want to use hot glue for this one because the permanent glue will melt the foam. You should have an object that looks like this, and it is prepped and ready for us to add our beautiful flowers. So I have already taken the flowers off the stem, and I left just a little bit of, probably about 1.5 inches of stem there, so it could be easy to insert into the foam without having to add hot glue. However, if you want to add hot glue, you can add a little bit of hot glue at the tip of the stems before you insert them into the foam, and that will help them stay in there more permanently. but I did not want to do that. I did not feel the need to have to do that. Mine stayed in there just as well and secured, so there was no issues. And the only reason why I didn't want to make it permanent is because I decided to change out my flowers to a different color that may coordinate with the blue gems. Now we're going to add in a pop of color to our centerpiece using these yellow flowers that we also picked up from the Dollar Tree. I think these two colors together look very beautiful, and I love the way that it came out, and it makes the centerpiece. Alright you guys, so that is it for our two-part centerpiece. We're just going to sit it down in the bowl, and that's it. And this is the final look, you guys. You can showcase this two-part centerpiece on your coffee table as I have done here. You can put it on your dining table as well, or you could put it on your entryway table. You can actually use this decor centerpiece anywhere in your home. It is perfect for bringing spring into your home. Lovely bright colors and a little bit of glam and bling to boot. I absolutely enjoyed doing this collaboration with the ladies, Miranda of Creative Living and Tammy of Tammy B Jones. Two awesome ladies. This was a fun collaborative video. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up by liking the video, comment, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe. It is free. You can do that by clicking that subscribe button down below. And I hope everyone has their post notification bell turned on so that you're not missing out on any videos. And if you go over to Miranda's channel, Creative Living, and Tammy B Jones' channel, then please let them know that Hannadailylife sent you. And I hope that if you're from over there, welcome. I hope you enjoyed the video and that you consider subscribing. Until next time, you guys, I hope you all have a blessed rest of your day and stay tuned for more awesome videos. Bye-bye.